The number of foreign children adopted by Americans declined from 20,679 in 2006 to 19,292 in 2007. Find the percent of decrease. We'll begin with step 1 of the 5-step problem-solving process, which is to familiarize ourselves with the problem. Now, in order to find the percent of decrease, we first have to find the amount of decrease in the number of adoptions. So we would do the subtraction, 20,679 minus 19,292, and that difference is 1,387. So this is the actual number of decrease in adoptions of foreign children. We want to find the percent of decrease, and let's let P represent that. Let P equal the percent of decrease. Now we're ready to move to the second step of the process, which is to translate to some kind of mathematical language. And we can translate this to an equation. What we're looking for is this, the answer to this question. 1,387 is what percent of 20,679? So we can translate, this is 1,387 equals, what percent, we're letting P represent that, remember. Of translates to multiplication, and we have the number 20,679 here. So this is the equation that we want to solve. And we can begin solving this by dividing both sides by 20,679 to get P alone on the right-hand side. So we'd have 1,387 divided by 20,679 is equal to P times 20,679 divided by 20,679. On the left-hand side, if I round to 3 decimal places, I get 0.067, and this is rounded, so I'm going to write approximately equal to, and on the right-hand side I just have P because 20,679 over 20,679 is equal to 1. Now, we're looking for a percent, so we'll change this decimal notation to percent notation. And when we do that, we get that 6.7% is approximately equal to P. Now, we need to check this result in the original problem. And let's begin by observing that 6.7% is approximately equal to 7%. Now, if the number of adoptions declined by about 7% between going from 2006 to 2007, then the adoptions in 2007 should be 100% minus 7%, or 93% of the adoptions in 2006. So let's take the number of adoptions in 2006 and find 93% of it and see if that's approximately equal to the number of adoptions in 2007. 93% of 2,679 is equal to 0.93 times 20,679, and that is approximately equal to 19,231. This is rounded to the nearest one, and that's about the number that we had for 2007. It was the number we had for 2007 was 19,292. So our estimation shows that the answer is probably correct. And that allows us to go to the last step of the process, which is to state the answer. We can say the percent of decrease was about 6.7%.